Part of my job, I was told early on was to make sure the faculty were happy, make sure they had what they needed, and I take pride in that. Like I said, because, I usually bring them in from day one and kind of, get them acclimated and get them settled, and I'm here to help them, along the way.
Selma has been with the Department of Surgery for 38 years. When she first started, we had 8 surgeons. Today, we have more than 60 surgeons, and she is responsible for overseeing the administrative support for those surgeons practicing at both UAMS and at ACH.
I work in the Department of Surgery as an Administrative Services Manager. In my role, I assist with overseeing the day-to-day operations in the department. I work with our faculty. I start with them once they're recruited, help assist with their onboarding, their credentialing. I also I'm responsible for all the HR functions for the department personnel. I manage our department support staff. 5 of them support our faculty, and then we have our residency program and our junior medical student program, and I manage those staff members as well.
She truly is the matriarch of the Department of Surgery family. She is the unsung hero who's working diligently in the background to make sure that all of the minute details are taken care of, the things that most people don't even know are required to make us all successful. The surgeons all know Selma because Selma's the first person they meet when they start. She onboards all of our surgeons from the very beginning, make sure that they have what they need to get started in their practice. So she is the first person that they meet at UAMS.
A lot of the faculty, I call them my babies, or I tease with them, say I grew you up, because some of them started when they were residents. Then we hired them as faculty, and they're still here. I think it's a wonderful experience to be able to see the department grow. I like to think as the department grew. I learned so much, over the course of the years. I've learned a lot, and then I've been able to use what I learned to help our faculty.
Selma is fiercely loyal. She's incredibly dependable. She is there every day, always willing to do whatever needs to be done. She is our chief problem solver, our chief party planner. She just makes it fun to come to work.
Of course, being here 38 years, a lot of people. I mean, people often walk with me and they say, "Oh, you know a lot of people." To do my job effectively, I need to know a lot of people. I need to know who makes what run around here so that I can help, to make sure things get done.